Hi there. In today's lecture, we'll be taking a look at the nested if function. A nested if function is basically an if function within another if function. It can be used to check whether multiple conditions are true. So we'll be using the same example sheet that we used for the if statement. The candidate database, we have the name of the candidate, the age, the city, the experience, and the location. So during the if function, we did a check to see whether the candidate was from Bangalore, and it returned whether it was a location match or a mismatch. Now, in nested if, we'll be checking whether the candidate is from Bangalore and if the candidate is having an experience of 5 or greater than 5 years, right? So this is how the syntax goes. So we start off with the usual if function syntax, open parenthesis. The first logical test that we are doing here is for this check that the city is Bangalore. It can be the other way also. You can use the experience check first and then the Bangalore and then the city check. But in this case, I'm going ahead with the city check. So parenthesis open. The logical test would be D2 is equal to open quotes Bangalore, close quotes, comma. This ends the logical test. That is the first condition check. Now we can open another if condition with again a logical test to see whether the experience, that is F2, is greater than or equal to 5, comma. So the value F2. So the value when the first condition D2 is also Bangalore and F2 is greater than or equal to 5 years experience should be eligible. Close the quotes. And if the value is false, that is the value of the second if function, if F2 is not greater than or equal to 5, then it should return a not eligible value. So we close the parenthesis for the nested if function. And now we have to give a false value for the if function on the outside, which checks whether the location is Bangalore. So the location is Bangalore, it goes into the next nested if. If the location is not Bangalore, it will skip this part completely and come to the false part, which will again be not eligible. We close the parenthesis variable. So here in this case, the candidate's location is Pune. He has experience of 5 years, so he is not eligible. Since we are looking for candidates based out of Bangalore and experience greater than 5 years. So for example, this candidate here, he's from Bangalore and the experience is 5 years, so he's eligible. Whereas in most of the other cases, it is not eligible because it's either a location mismatch or an experience mismatch. Well, that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one. Please do share your valuable comments in the feedback section and let us know how this video was and what else can be done to make it better. Thank you.